Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing with you 3 lunchbox recipes. This is because I am really passionate about bringing your lunch into work. I know it can be one of those things that you forget to do or you think it takes too long, but these are 3 really simple, delicious recipes that will make everyone envious at work because you'll be like, hey, look what I'm having for lunch. Okay, so the first recipe is a quinoa stack, and this should just be an inspiration, this should be a base for you, and then you can kind of make it your own. So what I want you to get is like one of those nice like mason jars, something clear, because it's all about seeing the layers. So the bottom layer is going to be some finely chopped lettuce, so about a good handful of that goes into the bottom, and just sort of push it down. Then we're going to add in some cooked quinoa, so just cook that before, it's about 12 minutes cooking time. Mine got a bit steamy, so make sure you cool yours before. Then we're going to pop into it some chopped cherry tomatoes, some sliced avocado, some sunflower seeds, and then just drizzle those some olive oil at the end. And it's got this beautiful stack, but as I said, make it your own, chuck in some other types of grains, other veggies, whatever you've got, maybe some leftovers that you've got in the fridge. But it's all about that beautiful stack that looks gorgeous. So the second recipe is so simple, it is going to take you 2 minutes. It's crazy quick. So we're going to mix together dressing. We've got olive oil, we've got lemon juice, we've got mustard and salt. We're just whisking that together until everything gets fully combined. That's our dressing. We'll leave that to the side. Then we're going to grate 1 carrot down, pop that in the bottom of your lunchbox. I've got some nice cooked beetroot, you can just grab that from any supermarket, quartered it, pop that on top. Chuck your mackerel fillets on top. I've put 2 because I always feel like I need 2 mackerel fillets, not just 1, but you know, go with how you feel. And then dressing on, job done. The third recipe, there's a little bit more cooking in it. First off, we're going to make some pesto. So I've got some basil, I've got some pine nuts, I've got some salt, olive oil, and also some fresh lemon juice. And we're just blending that in the NutriBullet until it's nice and creamy. So we're going for a kind of thin pesto rather than like a thick chunky pesto just for this dish, but again, make it your own. So we're going to cook off the chicken. I'm just mixing the chicken with some of the pesto, and then I'm frying that off in the pan for about 6 minutes till it's cooked through. That's the key, make sure you cook through that chicken. Then I'm going to slice up some mushrooms, I'm going to spiralize some courgette, and I'm just going to cook that off with some of the pesto for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then I'm going to add in the frozen peas, cook it off for another minute, then we'll pop that in the lunchbox, chuck the chicken on top, and there you go. That is a delicious pesto chicken with mushrooms and courgette. So guys, I hope this video has really inspired you to get out there, start cooking up your lunches. It is so simple and easy. I love making my lunchbox the night before, or some of these recipes you can just do in the morning because they really don't take that long. So give them a go. Leave a comment down below if you enjoyed making them. Please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!